Hello everyone, welcome back to Excel Maths. It's June 23, paper 2 at Excel. We are discussing question number 2. Let's get started. So as you can see, this is a question that belongs to sequences. So probably no more than 3 minutes is going to be taking. Let's get started. So we know the first term, u1 is given to us 35 and we have an equation given in terms of un plus 1. We have to show that u2 is 40. Very easy. Probably for 1 mark. So for the first part, what we're going to be doing, because it's 2, it's asking about, so we have un plus 1. If we substitute 1 there, so n plus 1 would be 1 plus 1, that is 2. That makes sense, right? You are A-level students. So u2 would be u1. We get u2 when we are substituting n plus 1, n equals 1. Plus 7 cos 1 pi by 2 minus 5 minus 1 to the power 1. Okay, let's simplify more. So we're going to be getting u1 was 35. Let's substitute. Plus 7 cos pi by 2 is 0 minus 5 minus 1. So that will make plus 5. And it gives us 40. So yes, it is proved. u2 is 40. Now, So let's try that. Find the values of u3 and find the value of u3 and u4. So same way we have to find u3. So u3, we're going to be getting u3 when n is 2, right? So let's do that. So first write u3 is u2 plus 7 cos 2 pi by 2 minus 5 minus 1 to the power 2. Okay, so let's substitute all the values. So u2 we found 40 plus 7 cos pi is minus 1 minus 1 squared. So this will be positive plus 1. So it would give us minus 5 only. Now 40 take away 7, take away 5. So it's like 40 take away 12, that gives us 28. So u3 is 28. We need to find out u4 as well. So let's find out u4. Okay, now you tell me what is the value of n to find out u4? N will be 3, correct? So u4 will give us u3 plus 7 cos 3 pi by 2. What's cos 3 pi by 2? Minus 5 minus 1 to the power 3. Okay, so u3 is 28 plus, so that would be 0. And you just use a calculator and it would be plus 5. So 28 plus 5 gives us 33. So this is, let's match with the mark scheme. Okay, second question we have over here. So the A part, we've got 40, that was to prove, then 28 and 44. Okay, now for the B part, given that the sequence is periodic with order 4. Order 4, what does it mean? Like order 4 or period 4? So if we have given some order or period of a periodic sequence, it is nothing but how many, the number of terms in a repeating cycle, we can say, in each repeating cycle. How many terms do we have in each repeating cycle? Say, for example, if I say any particular sequence is periodic with order 3, right? Order 3. So it would be like A, B, C. You have 3 terms in that periodic sequence and then it will start repeating. Like after third, the fourth term would be A, B, C. Then again, you're going to be getting A, B, C. Then again, you're going to be getting A, B, C. Like, hope that makes sense. So order 3 meaning you have 3 terms in one single cycle, or each repeating cycle will have 3 terms. So right now we have 4, it's order 4, and you have to find out the value of u5. So order 4, that means it has 4 terms, and we found u4. We found u4 there. So u5, if it is of order 4, that means it would be having u1, u2, u3, u4, and your 5th term will actually be u1 again. As I've added A again because it was of order 3, it is of order 4. So this one would be u1, u2, U3, U4, and so on. So they basically are asking for U5. So U5 will be nothing but U1. And what is U1? U1 is 35. So the answer goes 35, right? For 1 mark is done. Now find the value. We have the series given. We have R 1 to 25, UR we need to find out. So R is 1 to 25. So you have 25 terms over there, but we know that for every fifth term is like, it's of order 4. So when we know that it's of order 4, how exactly we solve it? So BI is done. Now for BII, I will be, where should I solve? I'll be solving here. BII, correct, with the green color. So BII, because the maximum, like where we have to reach, it's of 25 terms. We have to take 25 terms. But because order is 4, so we know that each repeating cycle will have 4 terms. So we're going to be dividing it by 4. That gives us 4 times 6 is 24. So you're going to be getting 6 cycles, 6 repeating cycles, plus 1 more element, like, U1. So it would be like 6, and over here we're going to be writing U1 plus U2 plus U3 plus U4 because it's of, yes, order 4, and then plus U1. So let's substitute all the values. So it would be 6, use a calculator. U1 was 35 plus U2 was 40, U3 was 28, U4 was 33. Sum times 6 plus 35. You need to solve it quickly. Let me solve it as well. So 30, okay, wait a sec. 35 plus 40 plus 28 plus 33, and we have to times it by 6. 301 plus, give me a sec. Okay, times it by 6. 816 plus 35, 851. It gives me 851. Let's see what the answer comes. 851, right? So what did they do? 6 times these 4 terms. So you would be understanding, I feel, why did it happen, because it's of order 4. Hope that makes sense. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.